Hi, I'm Mark. A lot of people have asked us about our minivan camper build, so I've made this video to show you the key features. There's a longer video with the details if you'd like to see it at one of the links below. Any home tour has to begin with the living room, so let's take a look at the living room of the van. This is where the dog spends its time, so it's a very important area. Once the door opens up, I can push the stow and go button, and that moves the passenger seat forward. So you can see there's quite a bit of area for the dog. All their supplies are in a seat back organizer here. On any camp trip, you got to stop and take a break when you're driving. So let's show how that's done. I call this the snack sled. We have a refrigerator that runs on a separate battery, and we can carry water here as well. But the nice thing is, it slides. So if you need extra room for food, you can carry it here. But when you want more room for camping, you can slide it forward. If you move the seat forward using that special button, then this can move even farther forward. And we have plenty of lounge area here. So it's snack time, and I'm going to be resting here a while. So I'm going to raise this seat back up to a comfortable angle. I'm going to set up my table, open the fridge, and I'm ready for a snack. Eventually, you want more than a snack. You want to do some cooking. So we have these pull-out drawers, and they lock, and you can fit the camp stove and your utensils in here. Collapsible sinks, spices, anything you need. If you're at a location where there isn't even a picnic table, you can take off this rear panel, set it on the pull-out, and you have a table. There's storage under these seats as well. Under this side, I've got a lithium-ion battery pack, and that powers the refrigerator, and there's room to fit a couple of tote bags with clothes or games. And you might be at a campground that doesn't have a toilet, or where the facilities are not clean enough for you, so in emergency, you do have a commode in here with all the supplies necessary. For the truly compulsive, you'll want even more preparation, so we have this emergency compartment, patch kit for a tire puncture, tools, lithium-ion battery booster in case you killed the battery, more tools, first aid kit, and there's a tire inflator in there. Sometimes my wife and I don't agree on when it's time to take a nap. That's why I built a split system, so I can put down one of these into bed mode, keep the other one in lounge mode. But let's make up the whole system for nighttime. Both of these go down, these extensions come up. In a moment I'll add the cushions. Nap time. And of course at nighttime we make up the bed properly to get a good night's sleep. That's about all for now. There's another video with a lot of details on the construction of the van. Look for the link below. Thanks for watching.